Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how you can change the background color of your transparency so that you can be able to see very well. And from your background, what we mean by you change the color of this, you change its color to a given color so that once you want to apply transparency on your layer, you tend to see it very well and differentiate between your your subject and that of the background, the transparency background. So if you're having that challenge, so just hold on tight and let's dive in. So immediately right now, you let's go to your edit. You come to your preference here. From your preference, come to your transparency and gamut. Click on it, and then from here you see your section from here which you can actually change or make your settings. And then from here come to you can make it medium. You can make it medium. As you can see it's changed. Let's click on this color, drag to a few color of your demand. That one is too harsh, and let's readjust it to like this. Then you can still change and click on OK. And then if you want to change the other side, the other grid color, click on it. Let's change to something a bit lighter or so, and then you can click on OK. And at this, click on OK from here, and then you have successfully changed that particular color from here. You see the difference. You see how it looks now. So your subject stand on its own like this for you to see. And please, if you like this video, endeavor to subscribe and to encourage us. Thank you. We'll see you in our next tutorial.